Hi guys, so I'm gonna clean my dad's truck with my Dyson V11. So the background noise is the construction across the street. So here we go. Oh, this is paper broken glass. Ah, yeah, there's some stuff. Now we gotta do the interior. This is the Ford logo. Now let's do the interior. There's a lot of hair right here from Sandy. Doing awesome. Yeah, so let's switch attachments. Hold on a second. I wonder if I could set this right here. Yeah, good, it's not gonna fall. So we're gonna switch attachments right here. Put this back on there so we remember where it is. And now, time to get inside here. Time to get inside here. Yep, so anyway, that does, alright, yeah, let's get here. Alright, so anyway guys, that does it for the video.